This is Piri Habits Level 3, musical number 14. So this week, you're practicing Bouncing on My Bed and Eagle, unless you've Piri certified, then your vacation. Minuetto, you're going to practice lines 1 to 3, hands together, marking with X's and stars. And you know why you're marking the star. You know by now. You're such a pro. Okay, so let's go on and finish off Minuetto. Let me play for you the last line, and then let's talk about it a little bit. That's your assignment for this week, and it's to play it hands together. So this is the first line we're starting hands together, but you'll hear why. Okay, did any of that sound familiar? It starts just like A. It goes back to A. The only difference is we come off on this note, but the notes are exactly the same. Now the last two measures are different. So let's go over our Fern steps for this ending. Okay, so starting with fingers, I'm not going to do the fingers for section A part, you already know that. So let's start in measure 15, right hand is going to go 2, 3, 4, 1, then cross over your 2 and back to 1, yeah, I like 2 here. If I was just noticing, if you're starting with your 4 like you're used to, you're going to be on a 3 here. 3, 4, 5 on these fast notes is really hard to control. So it's going to roll together and be uneven. So after you do this lift, come back on your 2. This is really important. So you're doing 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. 2, 3, and 4 are our 3 strongest fingers. So let's use those. Left hand. You're going to start, this is again on measure 15. 5, 4, 1. Okay. Expression. Left hand doesn't have a lot to do, but right hand's going to do a drop, float, float. Let's do that. Drop, float, float. Okay? So just a little drop. Heavy, light, light. Now, rhythm. This is the big thing that's new. You'll notice that those eighth notes have a little 3 under there. That 3 is not a finger number, okay? Right here. This is not a finger number. That means this note is a triplet, which means instead of 2 eighths fitting into one beat like we're used to, we're going to do 3 eighths. So one way you can think of that, if we have one beat going, instead of 1, 2, 1, 2, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, I'm fitting 3 notes. One fun way to think of your triplet is by saying the word watermelon. You can do watermelon, watermelon. Try that. Say it with me. Watermelon. So as long as you get that, you'll have it. And then the rest is pretty easy. Let's talk about your notes. Let's just go over your notes. Right hand is D, E, F, C, B, C. And left hand is F, G, C. So together, because you're practicing this line together, hold that left hand. Don't pop up with your right hand. And at the end, it's good to do a little bit of a push here instead of a drop. Otherwise, you might be a little too heavy. All right, so get to work learning the rest of line 4. And then next lesson, you'll be able to hear the whole thing put together.